Sylvia, let me just say, since I've been staying at my sister's house, I've been trying more new things than I ever thought I'd try before. Here's another one. It's a power blower. Blower. Oh, it has no battery. I gotta get the battery. But guess what? That's part of the tutorial, because I've never blown anything before with a power blower. So we already put the cuffs back on and made sure that they were secure. Since this has no wires, it's a battery. We snap. You might have to push the buttons. And snap it right in. And then you push this on right here, and guess what? You start blowing. Can't put my initials in this. Woo! Oh, I can feel the wind blowing through my hair. Oh, that's the tutorial. That's it. You just flip the switch, and it does the blowing for you. What a fabulous invention. Oh, this is Sylvia saying, enjoy another one of my how-to tutorials.